Testing. 1, 2, testing. My friends. How do we sound? Let's see. Yes, folks, we are approaching things a little bit different this evening. In other fashions similar. It's actually a new month, and for the final 2 weeks of a month, it's been pretty good. Let me get my links out. Let me get my notifications out. There's a song that I want, but I cannot find it. It has no lyrics. It's an ambient song like this one from another channel. But I had someone message that I'm trying to find it. I don't know. Do we want to be Zen Master, or do we kind of want to party a little bit? It's a little trippy. But at the same time, this kind of keeps us on point. I think it helps keep our feet on the ground. Cannot Shazam it. Yeah, Zen is chill. It's late night. It's, don't know what night it is, because time is a flat circle. Time is a overlapping flat circle. Matthew McConaughey. We're going to, last stream, I think, or one of the last streams, we kind of stuck it to the TA, and it ended up going an hour long of just solid information. Solid information. So I guess we can start from the top and work our way back. This isn't going to be an all-night stream. But I wanted to stream, and I wanted to speak with you because it's been a few days. And things are happening. The last 2 months for me, I know for many of you, have been terrific. And what we are starting to see, well, what I believe we're seeing is what a market looks like when it is on a bull run, in fact. And that is, let me clean this up a little bit here. Previous graphics. We're getting plays where momentum support. The red is small. It is tight. In a bear market, we would stay away and be weary, but it's not acting like that anymore. It has changed. Speaking of change, hang on. Whoops. Here we go. Started off with the 2-week. It is, in fact, the 2-week. Oh! So bullish. It has me making plans. The 2-week has me. I hope I'm not muted. Okay, good. The 2-week has me making plans. I have really been trying to identify some shit coins to really put some money into. You know, there's these like game tokens and whatnot. For the first time, I find myself grazing over coinmarketcap.com, believe it or not. I'm not really good at it. I don't really spend much time at it. I'm not really familiar with it. It's something I never really use. Duh. Because to be honest, this screen hurts my eyes. Hurts. And when I use my shader, I can't see anything. I can't see. Pain. Darkness. Let's try this. Now this sucks too. Okay, hang on. You know, I really don't like accepting cookies. I don't really know what all the cookies are. Cookies. Don't ask me to tell. I don't like anything. I don't want anything from these people and their cookies. Because you know what happens if you give a mouse a cookie. So I've been fiddly farting around, you know. I'm like, all right, 24 hours. Looking at these shit coins. Ooh, 20%, 7-day. You know, this Qtum. Looking at Qtum. Dang, Neo there. Chinese. Neo is Chinese. Neo is Chinese. What else is Chinese? I mean, we know it's all Chinese, but what's more Chinese? And I don't know anything about any of these tokens. I mean, okay, AxiPhase gaming to whatever. You know, there's a lot. There's a lot. What? BitGet token up 10%. You know, we've all been around this long enough to hopefully develop the talent to be able to buy a coin, do nothing, and make a bunch of money off it. That is the idea. So I've been surfing, and these exchanges, BitGet, ZOOMEX, and others, though I'm sure the exchanges you use, have done a pretty good job at opening the gates and really being an exchange full of shit tokens, for better or for worse, whatever time it is. Shit tokens and scam and meme tokens alike, they're there. And just because a project is real, good, bad, existent, or non-existent doesn't matter really in this space. That what matters is if people put their money into it. Um, and so, really been, I've just, my actions have been turning cash into crypto, and turning Bitcoin into shit coins. That's what I've been doing for the past month, 2 months. Been making those plans and doing it. Anyways, so I haven't. There's a lot of tokens I haven't bought. I want to spread it around, but man, it's time to make plans. Off this 2 week, and you guys have probably been here and seen it before, but the fear was that on the weekly 2019 RSIs are gapped, and we had the same thing. We fall back down. It is still possible. Damn, this looks. I mean, it looks good. Even. It's technically there's still a chance. There's still a chance that it could come back down. But when I look at the 2 week, it looks like the past is behind us. It looks like the past is behind us, and it's the bigger time frame. So I like it. Whoops, and I like it a lot. Where's my entry on this trade? 34.40 average entry. Next spider line, I believe, is in the 42,000s. We have to double check our spider lines sometimes. They can get off kilter after moving things around so much. Sometimes we have to check their accuracy, make sure that they are indeed square centered, locked on top of the Heiken Ashies, pivoted through. So let's find out. Let's highlight this. Make it dark red. Let's take this and make it let's do that. Well, damn. Yeah, great. Let's do that. Let's do that. And actually, that. And that. Now we'll actually know what we're looking for here. Okay. Okay, these two. Bada bing, bada boom. Wow, would you look at that? Dang, we're back at. Dang, that's crazy. That's so cool. Excellent. They're still lined up. It's great news. It's great news. Money flows just breaching into the green. RSI is tightening up. Are these going to close and keep going, tightening up? Is it going to gap? I mean, if things keep going along the 2 week, will we continue? The next one is 42,000. And I'm just chopping the wood as it's when it's hot. When it's hot, you gotta hit it while the iron's hot. You gotta chop it while the chopping's good. You gotta chop while the chopping's good. There's I can't. I can't. Alrighty. It's kind of hard to talk. It's hard to have that music in the background, but I don't really know what the hell I want to say. And I don't have a plan. I don't really know what I want to say. But I've already said what I wanted to say. There's nothing really new except that we're getting it. We're getting it. How's the, let's take a look at the, profit logs. Let's see if we got any new profit logs. If it wants to load for me. Ooh, here we go. I'm already seeing some fun stuff. This is the stuff we like to see. All right, here we go. B, last 90 days of trading Bitcoin. Look at that sucker. Way to go, B. Way to go, Donnie. Absolutely epic trade. Damn. That is a good epic trade. I don't know if you can see it, but he made a nice Bitcoin right there. Good job, Eddie. You know, when you guys post into the profit logs, I would appreciate if you don't change your leverage to make your percentage look bigger. That is so 5 years ago. The cat's out of the bag. Everyone knows that you didn't execute your trade at 125 leverage. No one cares if you have 1,000% profit when you only made $10. When you post a trade in the because remember, there's also new people here, okay? And this is a sensitive environment. Trading is a sensitive environment, and you give off the wrong impression. Someone new is going to come in and say, "Oh, Richard here did it with 125x. I can too." So don't do that, please. I'm asking you. It is much more impressive when you show the real leverage, the real everything, the real trade. So please do not finagle, do not lie. So we got people shorting, we got people longing, we got people kicking ass. Damn, and we got a lot of people lately. We got a lot of people. Is there any new testimonials? Man, this is I just want to thank CF and everyone in the group for being here and giving me the ability to trade, being self-taught, and feeling like I can wake up every day and pull this out of my ass. Feels amazing. Classic MC strategy to thank for this and happy trading. From the very beginning, I had trouble finding my path of least resistance. But over this bear market, I feel I've honed in on my technique. Thanks, you all of you. Hell yeah, dude. What is this? Look at this guy. Beautiful, basic strategy technique, excellent entry. Look, he's even got his risk-reward ratio. That's it. Good stuff, brother. Thank you very much for the testimonial. This is great. Thank you so much. Great testimonial. Hell yeah. No, Richard, you are not. I was just using, no, Richard, I was using you as an example. Your name was just there. No, you did not change your leverage. I was just throwing a name out there. Your name was in front of the screen. No, you told the truth. You showed that you were at 20x. That daily, we're looking at, what are we looking at? The daily, what's going on here? Little bit of a Vwapage coming to the upside. Not precisely perfectly curved, but it is slightly to the outside. And, hell, you know, this comes up like... Oh. What the heck? Okay, it's making the... Why is it? Okay, it's making a little weird. Anyway, this comes up... Pizza. Anyways, that looks like it could turn into something. Listen, my number one strategy when it comes to entering the final say are these 1, 2, 3, 4 hour Vwapage when it's curved and coming up. Right now, these have been kind of jagged, which makes sense, right? It really hasn't been anything great. But if you, when you get that curve, when you have your larger time frames backing you up and you see this VWAP under the yellow line curving back up, oh man, that's when I pull that trigger. And it could be at the top of a formation. That's why, crypto face long in the top again. That's because we see something they don't, and that is the truth, and that is the future. Because we are looking at things that they are not and do not have access to, and that is money. Money talks. Money walks, money talks. And bullshit don't do nothing. It don't even, they say money, what? Money talk, bullshit walks. No, money talks, money walks, and bullshit does nothing. Yeah, so I've been going through shit coins. Ethereum, I just kind of have a stinky feeling with Ethereum. I feel like Ethereum stinks. I feel like it's a little fishy. I just feel like Ethereum is a little fishy on this go around. Not saying it's not going to do great and make great gains. But I don't know if it's going to be the pony. I mean, it probably will be, but I don't know. Just something stinks about it. And I think there's a lot of other ponies in the race. That I guess, I don't know. Doesn't Ethereum have like a banished future? I mean, don't they say that Ethereum's just going to be screwed? Its fees are ridiculous. Ridiculous fees. I was trying to do a transaction. So I'm a transaction with like Ethereum. It was going to cost me $700. With Tron, cost me pennies. In fact, how is our baby doing? Oh, Tron. Way to go. Good job, Tron. Where's the, let's see. No. No. Um, yeah, so ETH kind of stinks. Not saying that it's not going to go up and it's going to still be used. But I mean, I think it's a dying market share. I'm willing to bet that if you kind of looked at the market share when it matters of the ecosystem, I would bet that Ethereum shrink as other projects grow and use, other Ethereum alternatives. We've been just playing in this range. We've been in the range. And I have been paying close attention to the money flow, the momentum, the RSIs, the DBSIs, and just cruising through the time frames. Man, the big time frames. Again, here's the daily arcing its head. This is totally valid candlestick green opportunity right here, whether it's a little or a lot. What is this? The daily? This one, here's the last one. Great, this was a nice one. It was nice and big. Came trucking through. And it's not going to be as beautifully curved. It's a larger time frame. But boom. I mean, boom. Whammy. The one before that. Decent one. Boom. Whammy. 9%. Even these little shitter ones. Even this little shitter one had some good price action. Hell, you could even say this had some good price action right here. Even this one had 2%. So I'm certainly looking at that. And notice there's a lot of things to take notice to. A lot of things to look at right now. A lot of things. There's a lot of ways to enter on different time frames. The world's in chaos, and it's they say war is good for business. What's going on with old Dixie? Oh geez, people are hammering the Dixie today. It's at 106. People were hammering the Dixie today. It's fine. It's fine. It's at 106. For now. How's Zcash doing? Looking like she's close to a bottom, looking like she's trying to coil up. Also, the curvature has been huge. The curvature, the shape was the pump today? Was it this one? Was this the? Yeah, was this the open pump today in the morning? Yeah. Right here. This, I saw this and did not expect it to hold. Because it was just beep, beep. Didn't have that curvature. This has curvature. This has curvature. This is beautiful. And this is, listen, I'm not saying that this is ugly. But this is beautiful. This is like a promising, wifey material, beautiful woman that's going to nurture you and clean and cook, bear your children, and change their diapers for you. For your life. It's fruitful and green. This, it's nice for the time being, but you can get herpes or something from it too if you don't watch yourself and protect yourself. It's nice for the time being, but you gotta protect your ass. You better get out of that. But this, you want to stay in. You want to keep it around. Been working on some serious backend stuff with Market Cipher. I know a lot of people have had issues for numerous reasons, like their A or B would disappear. Some of it's because TradingView limited free versions down to only 2 indicators, so some people didn't realize that they had some little things as indicators. Also, there's upgrade people with new versions, so I think we're going to be doing some upgrade shit where it's going to take like 2 days and no one should have those problems again. It's kind of, TradingView's sensitive, kind of going through those hoops, because if you do something wrong, so you just gotta stay on top of it. And so but we have the solution to make sure all like people with old versions, everyone gets like updated, I think, with their shit. Shouldn't have that problem anymore. If you have that problem, if you're missing indicators or something, just email support. So where are we at here? We're at 35,600. 35,600. Come on, computer. Come on. Wake up. Little Chinese trumpet. Nice little Chinese trumpet. Yeah, I'm liking this daily. I'm liking this daily coming up. I'm liking this daily Vwapage coming up. What day is it today? What day is it today? Is it Thursday? Whatever. Solano, yeah, you know, I was bullish on Solano last week. Oh, damn, man, I should have bought some Solano. Money flows high. Hour. Little potential on the 2 hour if this turns into something. So, for example, when you're peeping the VWAP wave, I'm telling you, VWAP wave in a confirmed trend is your baby. Okay? And so you really want to get you want that to be confirmed. Now, okay? What we want is for this to curve out and come in, boom, and front run it a little bit. How do we do that? We go to the smaller time frame and kind of hope it doesn't look like this. We want it to be outward curved and continuing. This is not saying it's dead, but it's slightly inverted and not as good as it would be if it was outverted. But it doesn't mean it's out of the water. It's not out of the water yet. This is Crow, the beginning of a thick momentum wave. Now, if what we now I'll tell you, okay, if we want the price to continue up, the VWAP wave is on top. We do want an inverted wave. We don't want it to be crashing outverted down. We want it to be inverted as it circles back up because it's a circle. And if it's inverted, it circles back up. So this is a good sign right here on this 1 hour for Crow. a good sign. So we're looking for this. Price goes up and down. Momentum. We're looking for this momentum wave to be nothing. To be nothing is what we're looking for. Pepe. Oh, my Pepe. Pepe's at 12. My $20,000 worth of Pepe is now worth $35,000. Just saying. Nothing really to see here. We're kind of parasites on Bitcoin. What else is there? How's Shiba doing? Let's take a look here.
So if you resent and you're jealous of people who have success, prosperity, and money,
Okay, all right. Well, it is certainly at it's in the bottom territory. You're talking about feeding off crustaceans like crabs at the bottom of the sea. Money flow in the red coming up, though. The money flow is directionally to the upside. Our sides are a little gapped. Whoops. This possibly very well could be going through the motion. You see, we have a big grandma turtle to a baby mama little turtle to potential beep, squeak, beep, beep little turtle. The green's getting bigger. Green's going up. So this momentum looks like it's going up. This could be going in the right direction. Could be going in the right direction. What else is there? Cardano. Ooh. I need to, well, now hold on there, little Logie. Hold on there, little Logie. Now, would you look at that beautifully curvy Vwap coming up tight? Trigger wave right there. What are the higher time frames looking like? What are the lower time frames looking like? What was this price action? What was the percentage? Damn! 10%. Beautiful. That was beautiful. Yeah, see, this is where you want to get in on a solid Vwap wave. when you see the curvature and it's curving, you want to get in right before it clips. Not saying it's too late when it does, but the best time to get in is to get in confidently right before, when you are confident that it is going in that direction strongly. Just like this, when you see this on a lower time frame. So you're looking at the 6 hour, and the chart actually stops right here, right? You can't see any of this. You're like, ooh, I want to front run that. Oh, so you go to the lower time frame for confirmation of that direction, and you see you have nice umps, out curved umps. What about the 2? Money flows, man. But that's how powerful that Vwap wave is on the hourlies. That's what exactly. I'm so glad these charts look. It's like, it's a little choppy. The point is the 3, 4, 6, 2, 12 hour daily Vwap curves, man. They are priceless. Priceless. You could solely rely on them pretty much in a confirmed trend. If you're in a confirmed trend tunnel, have you will. You want to be using those. It's pretty much how I've been making all my entries these past 2 months and beyond. But man, when it's bull market time, man, there ain't nothing like them curve Vwap, confirmed curve Vwaps coming up. Any questions? Bro, why are you spamming? Where's my mods at? Mods, how come? Okay, there you go, Coons. Sorry, I'm just seeing all this, the chat flowing in. Man, don't be spamming. Anyways. Alrighty. Anyways, let me clear things up a little bit here. Let's get rid of that. Oops. So, yeah, as of right now, obviously the 2-week best time frame. The daily, looking for the daily for a little bit of an up move. Maybe she's got a little more in her. Hopefully she's got... Ooh. Damn. See what I mean? Look at this 12-hour, okay? Look at this beautiful 12-hour. Beautiful. Look at that last outward curvature like a jackknife. Whammy! Beautiful. So yeah, other than that, it's kind of a little choppy on the smaller time frames right now. Little choppy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. 8 hour. This 8 hour money flow is curving up. That's good. 6 hour, pretty much the same thing. A little indent, but overall going up. Fat. I mean, overall the price wants to move up. Overall, even in the choppiness, it's inchworming. Like a little worm, little inchworming its way up. All basic strategy you need is on the Market Cipher website, marketciphertrading.com, or just marketcipher.com. Go to learn, go to tutorials. And a couple more. We're gonna keep uploading these more too. Gonna keep uploading more. We're gonna be changing merch again. I'm done with Teespring. It is so hard to find normal men's shirt printing, not bisexual, works for men and women. I'm done with that shit. I finally have an amazing connection. Want to shout out to Kempai for hooking me up with solid merch people. And we're getting on that ASAP. Not even being able to have a colored hat. It's not going to be on-demand fucking shit. We want real high-quality shit that doesn't fold away. If you're a man and you want to wear a shirt designed for a man, you're going to get it. If you're a woman and you want to wear a shirt for a woman, you're going to get it. I hate this pansexual clothing custom shit on the internet. You can't even get a normal shirt without feeling like a weirdo when you wear it. So don't buy this shit that you see here until I tell you it's safe. Besides the mug. And if you like the hat, you can get it. These hats are still pretty cool. The women's stuff is fine. Even the sweaters run tight. The necks are small. The necks are too small. I can't even fit my head through the sweater. Piss me off. And it's expensive. It's the same cost for having a real man shit. So, for all of you who've bought merchandise, number one, I'm sorry. I still hope you like it. When we launch our new merch shit, I'm going hardcore coupon slashing in the beginning because I want people to get it, to enjoy their product at its pisses me off. I'm pissed. The only people who are happy are the where's the beatnik hat? Where's the bucket hat? Where is that? Look at this. Unisex. No more. Unisex is the devil when it comes to feeling comfortable as a man in your own clothes and being comfortable without your arm. It's unisex is so stupid. It is so stupid, and I hate it. So, yeah, that's going away. And shout out to Kenpai. Kenpai Pandas. And Josh. I think his name's Josh. Right? Ice Bags. Cool dude. Super cool dude, by the way. Shout out to him. Good man. Good leader. Good alpha male. Mike Perry is fighting on December 2nd. I think I have to go on the trading show tomorrow. So when it comes to the VWAPs, before it crosses the line, any indent or outdent matters. In fact, it's the most important thing. If a VWAP could be all crazy, but if at the final moment it's got that nice hook, boom. It could be a beautiful circle VWAP, but at the last moment, if it hooks in, no. When you want to be firing off these longs in this bull run, if it's a bull market, bull run, bull fun, bull thumb, for however long or however little. But if it's like, man, I'm just saying, when you have a bigger trend, a bigger time frame that is bullish, the 2, 3, 4 hour, you want these confirmed, confident, just like the money flow and basic strategy. Just like we say, 75%, that's when you enter on the money flow. It's the same thing with the VWAP. Same thing. And it is so powerful. It's the only thing you need sometimes, believe it or not. For me, at least. Sometimes it's the only thing I need. Bro, I'm a lifetime market side. If you did the trade with the calls, it'd be extremely more lucrative. AK, I've been giving signals. Just because I didn't give this one, no, you need to learn yourself what would be more lucrative, my friend, and I appreciate your business. What's more lucrative is if you master it yourself. This is not complicated. I am not here to give you every single trade. And I'm not here to stress myself out with that shit either. I tell you guys plenty when I get in and out of trades. And I make it very clear to everyone the deal. Oh, buying calls. Oh, I got you, bro. You know, bro, I hear you, man. I hear you. Okay, I hear you. I like options. You know, there's another dimension. You're talking about adding another dimension. I hear you, man. Yeah. Other than that, guys, I've been chilling. It is a busy time of the year. I got some traveling I gotta do. And tomorrow's a busy day too, man. Tomorrow's jam-packed. But other than that, yeah, I probably gonna get going here. What is this? Man, these are size. Yeah. 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 I'm just looking at the RSIs right now. They're both super tight and squiggly leaning upwards. They're high up. It's good. It's strong. It's nice. And it looks like everything sugar and spice from before when price was going up. So I like it. We're gonna keep chopping the beef. They're two RSIs color coded. So each of these lines is an RSI, but instead of having two lines that cross and do this, they change colors. There's a stochastic and a standard. But when they are both close together, they are strong. When they're separated, it's weaker. In bull terms, so when the price is going up, you want these both of them to be close together for a higher probability of the price staying up. When both of these are, when one RSI is like this and the other one is like this and it's hella gapped, price can still go up, but it's more likely that it will not stay there. They're just color coded instead of whipty-whoopty, hoopty-doopty. There'd be too much more shit. Just a little trick. Little trick. Yeah, a little sauce. Yeah, I understand a little sauce. I understand a little sauce. Yeah, I understand. I understand. Whoops. Guys, get to the beginning of this damn chart. Yeah. Ooh. Now what do we have here? What do we have here? On the 10-minute. Little fight on the 10-minute. A little fight on the 10-minute. I don't know. Should I take half just to be a good role model? What do we got? 3.2. Should I take one off the table? Just to be a good role model? Can always add more, you know? Got a little, still leave me a little cushion. I can take a third of it off and still have a little cushion, you know? I don't really want to, but get it right before this wall right here. Sneak it in before this wall. Sneak in a couple more. We're hammering the market. We're hammering it down. Oh, see what happens when your boy. See what happens when your boy. Listen, your boy has a lot of effect on these robots. Here, let me take these away. We'll relieve some pressure. Stupid arrow out of my way. What the hell are these arrows doing here? Hey, who, hey. Oh, your boy is the top. Your boy is the top. We're the puppet masters. We're the puppet masters. Here, check this out. Be free. Be free. Go on. Go on there. Go on, little Loki. Go on, little Loki. Be free. Get on now. You on now there, little Logie. There you go. There you go. Yeah, it's a little bit more. Just that there's nothing there. There's nothing in between. There's nothing in between. Come on. Yeah, right, come on. There you go. See? There you go. Just a little bit more. And we'll call it for now. That's enough. That's looking a little skinny. Trade's looking a little skinny. I'm not happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm not happy. Alrighty, looks like we realized 28,000. Markets look a little boring. What time is it? Yeah, there's a lot of time that needs to go by. I'm liking the daily a little bit. A little bit. I would say... Yeah, let it play out. What's down here? 35. What's my entry? 34.4. 34.4. We're gonna do 34 4 0. Let's close enough. And she... yeah, she can come down a little bit more and rehook. You know, we're really not sweating the small stuff here. Really not sweating the small stuff here.
Gentlemen in the mix.
Yes, currently yes, Vwap is coming now. It's just a jagged little wave. And again, we are in a bull trend. We're in a bull trend. It's always gonna have to do something, but it's whether it's strong or not. And yes, it's just it's just undulating. It's just undulating right now. There's really nothing to see here. Listen, we took 30K profit. You know, sure it can come back to where it is before, you know, maybe 34.83, 34.83. Yeah, you know, fuck them. Boom! A little bit more in the bag. A little more in the bag. A little 36 wow in the bag. Not bad for a light day's work. Someone's got to do it around here. Okay, what are we at here? 2 mil. All right. Alrighty, folks, we're going to call it a little stream. I'm going to hang out and, yeah, you know, I'll see you tomorrow. And thanks for being here. Appreciate it. You guys are terrific. Thank you for the profit logs you guys post that are in the Market Cypher Discord. Thank you for the testimonials that you write. I appreciate it. And keep kicking ass. Don't go into shit you're not confident about. Let the good things come to you. Keep it simple. That's all I got to say. Yeah. BIOKA. Alrighty, folks. Again, it was good hanging out, and I'll see you guys later.